Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about how to make use of existing dictionary to make another dictionary. So currently I have this dictionary student data which contains key and value. So keys are name, roll number, branch and year, and values are John 101 IT 2021. So what if I want another dictionary which has the name mydict, and I want similar items of student data inside mydict dictionary. So what I will do, I will say mydict equal to student data. So will it work? Like if I try to print now mydict, so let me save this and check. So see, I am able to get mydict and it is containing all the items of the student data like name, roll number, branch and year. So it means that we can assign in this way also. If you want to create a new dictionary with the help of existing dictionary, you can just assign that particular dictionary to the new dictionary. So but the drawback here is, let me show you. So we have this my dictionary. Now what I want to do, I want to update some values in student data. So how we can update, we have seen in the previous video. So you need to provide the name of dictionary dot update, and what I want to update here, I want to update the key which is year. So I will provide here key colon and the new updated value. Let's say I want to, currently it is containing 2021, so I will update it to 2020. So I am only updating student data. So let me show you that, and print, let's say again print here mydict. Let me save this and run. So see, in the first time what we have done, we have assigned student data to mydict. So we are getting all the values of student data inside the mydict what we have provided. After that we have updated student data to year 2020 and printed mydict. But we haven't updated mydict dictionary, right? We have updated student data, but still we are printing mydict, and in mydict we are able to see the value is updated. So it means that if we assign a dictionary in this way, like directly assigning with the help of assignment operator, then it is only having the reference, means whatever changes we will do in student data, it will also be reflected in mydict data, because we haven't updated the value in mydict dictionary, we updated the value in student data, but still in mydict we are getting the updated value. So in order to avoid this, what you can do, instead of assigning in this way, you can make use of predefined methods. So let me show you that. You need to provide your name, student data dot, and here you need to say copy. So with the help of this method, all the data of student data will be copied inside mydict. Let me run this now. Now you will see the difference. See, so all the data of student data is copied in mydict. We are printing here mydict, so we are able to get all these value, name, roll number, branch and year. And now we are updating student data and again printing mydict data. So what is happening, student data is only getting updated. If you see now in the second print statement, we are getting the same old value which is 2020, and if you print student data, you will see the updated value. Let me save this and run now. So see, so above 2 are of mydict dictionary which is having the year 2021, and student data will contain the updated value of year which is 2020, which we have updated at line number 10. So that is why you need to make use of this copy method instead of directly assigning, because we have seen the drawback of directly assigning to a dictionary. So another way you can copy it, let me remove all this data now. So this was one of the way, dot copy. Another way you can make use is using a keyword called dict, and here you need to provide the name of dictionary which you want to get copied, so student data, and now I will print mydict. Let me save this. So see, we are getting all the data of student data in the mydict dictionary, name, roll number, branch here that we have provided here. So in this way you can copy existing dictionary to a new dictionary. So another methods or another way I want to show you in this video is nested dictionary. So what do you mean by nested dictionary? So nested dictionary means we have dictionary inside dictionary. So how we can do this? Let me remove all the data here. So we have this dictionary student data. So what I will say, I will need to provide a key here. So let's say I provide here key as John, and now I need to provide value here. So I will provide another dictionary here. So I will represent it with curly braces, and now again inside that dictionary I will need to provide the values in the form of key value here. So let's say I provide here roll number. So this is key colon, now value is 101 separated by comma. Another key I will provide here. Let's say age, value 25. So this is one dictionary student data. Inside that we have this value, inside that we have this key John, and this John has this value, entire value. Inside that we have one key roll number which has value 101, again one key age which has value 25. Now again we will separate it by colon, as this is one key and this was all entire as its value. So let's provide another key value here. So let's say John, and this will be called as Tom. So this is key separated by colon. Now again I need to provide the value here. So I will again provide a nested dictionary which say again key as roll number. So let's say roll number of Tom is 102 separated by comma, as I need to provide another key here, age. Let's say age is 26. So that's it in this key. Now this is one key, and inside that we have provided this value, and let's provide another key here. Let's say Mark. So this is key Mark, and I need to provide a value, and let's say we provide value as 103. So now we haven't provided a nested, we just provided a value here. Let's try to print now. Print student data. Let's save this, run now. So see, we are getting here all the data of student data. This is key John which was having this value, entire value. Inside that we have provided roll number and age. In similar way we have another key Tom which has all these entire value, roll number and age, and the third key we have provided Mark, and which has a single value 103. So this is how you declare a nested dictionary. Now what if I want to get, let me remove this, what if I want to get the roll number of Tom? So how I can get that particular value? So let's say I declare a variable here x. So what you can say, I want to get the value of this roll number for Tom key. So you need to provide here name of dictionary student data dot get. So we have seen in the previous video how to make use of get method. You need to provide here the name of key. So key name here is Tom, and inside that Tom again I need to say get. Let me show you first this one, what it is printing. Print x. So what it will print, it will print student data dot get Tom. So this is key, so this is key, and it will get all the data. So it will print roll number and age for Tom. Let me run this. So see, it is printing roll number 102 and age 26. Now what I want, I only want the roll number. So here I need to say again dot get. So get, and here I will provide the key name which is roll number. And if I try to print x now, so it will print 102. See, 102. So in this way you can make use of nested dictionary and access the data items of nested dictionary. So that was all about the dictionaries. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.